Hi guys and girls, my name is Miss Interface. Today I'm going to review one of Mr. Interface's keyboards. I use keyboards on a daily basis for my work as a network administrator for a big communications company. The keyboard I'm going to review today is the Realforce 103U-UW, which is described by Mr. Interface as one of the Porsches of the keyboard world. Things that I would like to say about this keyboard. Let's start with the back of the keyboard. The construction of the legs is very solid, as you can hear and see. Then the cable can be made to flow to the left or to the right. The only thing the cable doesn't do is flow from the keyboard in a perpendicular direction. You can also distinguish the non-slippery feet. Now from the front. Let me type something for you so you can have a sense of the sound of the keyboard. Alright, let's continue. The keys have a very pleasant font and the layout is also very nice. This is called the UNZI layout since it has a Z right of the left shift and it only has two keys in between the L and the Enter key. This is mostly used in America. Also, the keyboard is very silent sounding, so when you type you won't hear a lot. The force to press the keys is minimal, so you can type very light. Also, this is a keyboard with variable weighting. This means the A requires less force than the S, and the S requires less force than the D. This supposedly helps touch typists. It also has a very nice feeling when pressing the keys. This is due to the Topre switch. Furthermore, the edges of the keys feel very smooth, so when you type there are no sharp edges. As a closing statement, I really love this keyboard, but of course you have to pay the price for such luxury. The price, very steep. It costs over $200 to obtain this Porsche keyboard. For more info and pictures with full frontal nudity shots of many keyboards, visit www.mrinterface.com. See you on the next video review. Comments on this video are very welcome and you have a very nice day.